everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In today's lecture, we will see the concept of inheritance. If you are preparing for university examination, then inheritance related questions are definitely come to your exams. So, please see the concept of inheritance very clearly. Now, so the general definition of inheritance is it is a process by which object of one class acquire the properties of object of another class. This is the specific definition of inheritance. So to understand this concept, we use the general way. Now, inheritance means hierarchy concept, and hierarchy in our family life means parent-child relationship. So each child is a part of the parent, and parent is a part of the grandparent, and so on. So every child has some characteristics which are coming from the parents, and again parents has some characteristics which are coming from the grandparent. So this is the inheritance. It means it maintains the relationship as parent-child relationship. So the principle behind this is that each derived class has shared some properties of superclass or add extra features in the child class. So this is the concept of inheritance. Or we will take other example like that car. Car is a class which will share the properties of automobile, and automobile has some characteristics which are coming from the vehicle. So this is the inheritance. It means we can create the new class from the existing class. Now, why we use inheritance? So we have two reasons. The first one is to use the concept of reusability. Reusability means add new features to the existing class without rewriting the code from the scratch. For example, we have a two class, and in both classes we have to use the function fun. So how to write? So the first solution is we have to write the function definition in both the classes. But this is not a solution, better solution, because in this time and space is occupied so much, and redundancy also is used. So the solution is we will use the superclass, and in this superclass we will define the function fun, and these both two derived class will inherit the function from the superclass. So this is the reusability. Now second is to close with the real world model. We know that object oriented programming is used for real world problems and models. So in OOPS or in our real life, everything has an entity, and each entity is related to each other. So to maintain the relationship between entities, we have to use the concept of inheritance. So it ensures that inheritance is used for closer to the real world problem and for the also support for the reusability. Now, our third question is how to declare the inheritance. So every type of inheritance declared with this syntax like class keyword, then derived class, then scope resolution, then access specifier, and after that we use superclass name. This is the syntax for every inheritance. Inheritance also support the concept of superclass and subclass. So the class which are inherited the properties from the other class is called the subclass. Here child will access the properties from the parent. So this is the subclass or derived class. And the class whose properties are inherited is called parent class or superclass or base class. So this is the concept of inheritance. Now in C++ we have 5 types of inheritance. The first one is single inheritance, second is multiple inheritance, third one is multi-level, fourth is hierarchical inheritance, and the fifth one is hybrid inheritance. These all inheritance are discussed in the next lecture in detail. Thank you.